Hi guys, John from Nutrimeals here. Today I'd love to walk you through step by step on how to order off of our website. On the top right hand side, you will see a hamburger menu which will give you a list of options, including information on our automated kiosks. If you scroll down a little bit, you will see a shop online now option, and if you click on that, it'll take you over to our collections page where you will see a variety of breakfast, build your own, bulk protein, mains, and other options available to you. For today, let's click on mains, and you can select anything from the list that you'd like here and add it right to the cart from this screen. We would like the hummus crusted chicken with vegetables, a Cobb salad with tofu, and let's say we want a buffalo cauliflower tacos. If you need more information, please click on the image where it'll take you over to the nutrition facts as well as the ingredients that we use. From there, you can hit the bag and you can view your cart right from the screen. You can also edit, let's say you want a few more, update your cart, and everything is done right from here. If you scroll down a little bit, please add some notes to your order if you have any allergies or any concerns, and we will adjust them at the time. If you do live in Calgary, please select the Calgary and area delivery option, enter your postal code, and hit checkout. From here, you will have to select a date that you want your meals delivered, and then it'll successfully let you go to the next screen. Here you will enter all your information. Once you've entered all your information, please continue to shipping. Once you're on the screen, you can quickly do a last review of your order and you can scroll down and make sure that you are getting the meals to the right address. Select Calgary Delivery if you live in Calgary, and the rest of the options are available to you below. Continue to payment. From this screen, you will enter your credit card information, and once that is done, hit Pay Now and you will get a confirmation email to your phone. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us and we would be able to help you out.